The Weet-Bix challenge. Need to eat a Weet-Bix in under 1 minute. Okay. Hard. Oh. Tell me when I lose. I've lost, haven't I? I ain't swollen.
30 seconds gone.
You're lying.
Some people make sandwiches out of them with cream cheese and stuff on it. Tomato.
It's just a huge glob. Stop laughing on the inside.
Oh, you're nearly out of time.
No, I'm not!
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Where'd the Weet-Bix go, guys?
Ha ha ha.